how to make a ladder melody in FL Studio. Some people struggle with creating the right melody to go with their chord progression, but honestly, it's way easier than you think. Let me show you how. First, start by setting up a chord progression. I'm going with F sharp for this one. Now, to make the melody, just simple play the chords and hum a tune over them. Alright, I'm in F sharp, so here's what I've got. Just trust your ear. If it sounds weird like this, just adjust the note until the melody you're humming fits with the chords. Once you've got a simple melody, let's make a bit more interesting by adding a few variations. Just throw in wherever feels right. Don't be afraid to experiment, okay? Something like this sounds better to me. So, what do you think? Pretty easy, right? If you enjoy tutorial like this, make sure to